This mini workers video is going insanely viral on Instagram right now. This Instagram page gained 239K followers just by posting this type of content. And one of their videos got 123 million views. Other videos are going viral too. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this type of video. Here's one I made in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT. On the left sidebar, click on Apps. Then on the right side above, you'll see GPTs. Click on it. Search for Mini Food Build Generator. Click on the top result, then click Start Chat, and then click Start Generate. This GPT will give you 10 video topic options. Choose the one you like. I'll go with number 3. It will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt at the same time. Once it's done, copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. You can find the link in the description. On the left sidebar, click on Image and select Nanobanana 2 for image generation. Paste your image prompt here. For output, choose 916 for 1K resolution. You can also choose how many images you want to generate, then hit Generate. Here's how the image turns out. It looks perfect, by the way. After the image is created, download it and head back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt, then go back to OpenArt. Click Video on the left sidebar and select the VO 3.1 model. Upload your image. Paste your video prompt and set the output to 916. Then select the video duration. Choose how many videos you want to generate and hit Generate. Here are the results. And here's some other videos I've already made using this. That's the full process. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.